Podcast, Season 8, Episode 3. Tonight we're going to talk about corporate bookings, business bookings, and how to get them even in the time of the coronavirus. I invited on Scott Weir. Scott Weir is the founder of a company called Pillow Partners. He's been involved in property for years.
Thank you, Mark, and welcome to everyone this evening. So really interesting times, and I hope to share some nuggets and some perhaps opportunities that are going to come out of this.
Let's talk about another one of your hashtags, Stronger Together. Can you just sort of explain that, because I love it. I think right now it's something that is needed more than ever. Can you tell us like the story around that?
Yeah, so we had a different, you might have seen it was slightly different before, but and it relates back to getting direct bookings, and one of the reasons we are probably above averagely successful, when I say that, versus one person with one property. So if we take Glasgow, where we might have 64 units, it's kind of the same marketing budget and energy and resources to fill those units as one person with one property. So it makes sense for us to market when we have big. So the more properties we have on, the better. And I suppose the proposition is we would make you more money than doing it yourself. If you guys got together, and all Boostly people says we'll help each other stronger together, and then if you have a six week booking from someone that's self-isolating for Corona, as an example, then you can take your current guests and give them to the people within your Stronger Together network. And
every night, Monday to Friday, I'm inviting in some of the experts, the big experts, the people that I have watched, listened, consumed, and learned from, to help you. They're giving up their time for free to do this, to give back to the industry. Make it happen is what Scott talked about, and start to build up those local little networks in and around where you are.